Alright, so yesterday flew the birds. They were doing very well until hawk happened. So this one came back today, which I'm very happy about because it's got great potential. Great bird. Now, the father of that one, a young bird which I was going to fly as well. I've got him in here. The poor thing got hawked. His father, which is the crestless, got hawked. Now this dude got hawked. And then his young one came back today. So we'll get him healthy again. Get him going strong. Yeah, so I won't be flying for a couple of days. Let the bird settle again. Got some other things happening there. Some of the young pairs have already got egg in the left one. So that's good. Waiting for eggs to hatch on the right side. But yeah, I'm glad he's alive. It's a great bird. And I'm very happy that one came back. God knows how long it's been flying. God knows where it landed. And good to see it back.